Hello. Welcome to Inspirational People. Let's know the inspiring stories of great personalities. Charles Darwin. Charles Darwin was a remarkable man whose life and work continue to inspire people today. His theory of evolution by natural selection revolutionized the way we understand the natural world and continues to be a cornerstone of modern biology. Darwin was born on 12 February 1809 in Shrewsbury, England. His father, Robert Darwin, was a wealthy doctor, while his mother, Susanna Darwin, was the daughter of the famous potter, Josiah Wedgwood. Darwin was the fifth of 6 children and grew up in a privileged household. As a child, Darwin was fascinated by nature and spent much of his time exploring the countryside around his home. He was particularly interested in collecting specimens of plants and animals, which he would carefully study and categorize. In 1825, Darwin began his studies at the University of Edinburgh with the intention of becoming a doctor. However, he quickly became disillusioned with the practice of medicine and dropped out after 2 years. He then enrolled at the University of Cambridge to study theology, but his interest in natural history was rekindled when he met the botanist John Henslow. In 1831, Darwin was offered a place on a scientific expedition aboard the HMS Beagle, which was to sail around the world. The 5-year voyage took Darwin to South America, the Galapagos Islands, Australia, and many other places. During this time, he made detailed observations of the plants, animals, and geology he encountered, which formed the basis of his later work. One of the most significant discoveries Darwin made during the voyage was the diversity of finches on the Galapagos Islands. Each island had a different variety of finch, with different beak shapes that were adapted to the local food sources. This observation led Darwin to formulate his theory of evolution by natural selection. Darwin returned to England in 1836 and spent the next few years analyzing his data and writing up his findings. In 1859, he published his landmark book, On the Origin of Species, which laid out his theory of evolution. The book caused a sensation and was met with both praise and criticism. Darwin continued to work on his theory for the rest of his life, publishing several other books, including The Descent of Man and The Expression of the Emotions in Man and Animals. He corresponded with other scientists and continued to collect specimens until his death in 1882. Darwin's theory of evolution by natural selection remains one of the most influential scientific ideas of all time. It has had a profound impact on our understanding of the natural world and continues to inform scientific research today. Darwin's life and work are an inspiration to those who value curiosity, perseverance, and a willingness to challenge conventional wisdom. Thanks for watching. Kindly like, share and subscribe.